Good morning, student. Today we will learn chapter number 2. The sky is falling. Now, भीतः ससकः धावति. भीतः means students. भीतः means the frightened. Sasakah means the rabbit. Dhavati means runs. Now, sentence explain in English. The frightened rabbit runs. Repeat. The frightened rabbit runs. श्रृंगालः अनुधावति. श्रृंगालः means the fox. अनुधावति. Anu means student. Anu means behind. Dhavati means running or runs. The fox is running behind. Right? Repeat. The fox is running behind. वानरः अपि अनुधावति. वानरः means the monkey. Api means also. Anudhavati means running behind. Right? Now, sentence in explain. The monkey, Vanarah means monkey. The monkey also is running behind. Right? Repeat. Repeat. The frightened rabbit runs. The fox is running behind. The monkey also is running behind. सिंहः आगच्छति. A lion is coming. Agachati means student is coming. Right? Sinha means a lion. Right? Sinha means lion. Agachati means agachati means coming. So sentence sentence explain in English. A lion is coming. Repeat. A lion is coming. Sinhah vadati. The lion say. Vadati means says. Sinhah means the lion. The lion say. Kimartham dhavashi. Why are you running? Right? Kimartham means why. Right? Dhavasi means running. Why are you running? Right? Repeat. A lion is coming. The lion say. Why are you running? Right? Sasakah vadati. The rabbit say. Shinha bhratah. Sasakah means the rabbit. Vadati means say. The rabbit say. सिंह भ्रातः. सिंह भ्रातः means सिंह means lion. भ्रातः means brother. Means brother lion. धावतु run. आकाशः पतति. The sky is falling. सिंह वदति. The lion say. सिंह means the lion. वदति means say. The lion say. आकाशः पतति वा. Is the sky is falling. Repeat. आकाशः पतति वा. Is sky is falling. कुत्र पतति. कुत्र means where. Where is it falling? Where is it falling? Patati means falling. Kutra means where. Where is it falling? Right? Repeat. The rabbit say. The rabbit say. Brother lion धावतु means run. आकाशः पतति. The sky is falling. The lion say. Is the sky falling? Is the sky falling? Question. कुत्र पतति. कुत्र means where. पतति means falling. Where is it falling? ससकः गच्छति. ससकः means the rabbit. गच्छति means going. The rabbit is going. The rabbit is going. सिंहः अगच्छति. Sorry, सिंहः अनुगच्छति. सिंह means the lion. Anugachati means falling, flowing. Right? Sorry. Sinha means the lion. Anugachati means flowing. Repeat. The lion is flowing. Repeat. The rabbit is going. The lion is flowing. Right? यही मैं एक बात आपको बता देता हूँ स्टूडेंट. आपके जो टेक्स्ट बुक है आपकी, उस टेक्स्ट बुक में सिंह अनुगच्छति ऐसा लिखा है. राइट? तो यहाँ आपको जो ये टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको स्क्रीन ऊपर दिखा रहा है उसको आप नहीं देखना, लेकिन आपके जो टेक्स्ट बुक में है उसको फॉलो करना. इसलिए आपके जो टेक्स्ट बुक है आपके पास उसमें लिखा है सिंह अनुगच्छति. तो सिंह अनुगच्छति जो है उसका हम ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेन. द लायन इज फ्लोइंग. राइट? ससकः वृक्षः समीपम् आगच्छति. ससकः द मीन्स रैबिट. वृक्षः समीपम नियर द ट्री. वृक्ष मीन्स ट्री. समीपम मीन्स नियर. Near the tree. Agachati means coming. Right? Now sentence. Explain in English. The rabbit is coming near the tree. Repeat. The rabbit is coming near the tree. Siଂhः vadati. Siଂhः means the lion. Vadati means say. The lion say. Kutra patati akasah. Kutra means where. Right? Kutra patati akasah. Kutra means where. Patati means akash. Kutra means where. Patati means falling. Akasah means sky. Means where. Sorry, minute. Where is the sky falling? Right? Where is the sky falling? Sasakah kimapi na vadati. Sasakah means the rabbit. Kimapi means anything. Na vadati does not say. Right? Now sentence in English explain. Now sentence explain in English. The rabbit does not say anything. Right, repeat. The rabbit does not say anything. Siଂhः vadat. The lion loves. The lion loves. Repeat. The rabbit is coming near the tree. The lion say. Where is the sky falling? Where is sky falling? Repeat. Where is the sky falling? Question. The rabbit does not say anything. The lion loves. Sasakah palayanam karoti. Sasakah means the rabbit. Palayanam karoti. Palayanam karoti, students, it means running away. Right? Now sentence explain in English. The rabbit is running away. Repeat. The rabbit is running away. Students, palayanam means explain in Hindi. Sasakah palayanam karoti means पलायनम शब्द का जो अर्थ है भाग जाना. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट? यू आर अंडरस्टैंड. आप समझ रहे, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि पलायनम मीन्स भाग जाना. समझ में आया? इसलिए पलायनम करोति इट मीन्स रनिंग अवे. राइट? Repeat sentence explain in English. English in explain. The rabbit is running away. Repeat. Only explain in English. The frightened rabbit runs. The fox is running behind. The monkey also is running behind. The A lion is coming. The lion say, why are you running? The rabbit say, brother lion, run, the sky is falling. The lion say, is, the sky is falling. Where is it falling? The rabbit is going. The lion is plowing. The rabbit is coming near the tree. The lion say, where is the sky is falling? Where is the sky falling? Where is the sky falling? The rabbit does not say anything. The lion laughs. The rabbit is running away. Thanks for watching videos. I hope you are understanding in story. You are understanding the story. Thanks for everyone, students. Goodbye.